Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran again, your healthy aging advocates, coaches, and authors of the best-selling book, 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. We have another great takeaway for you today. But first, we want to again invite you to join us in our life goal to die young as late as possible, to feel good and to look good and to retain a youthful energy, whether you're 38 or 83, and you can start on this path at any age. So in today's takeaway, we're going to be talking about how to get a very good, solid night's sleep, deeper, longer, and consistent. So let's jump right in.
The important thing to remember is that during sleep, our bodies heal and regenerate cells. So it's extremely important to get adequate sleep to stay healthy and young. However, sleep problems plague a huge portion of the population, especially as we age. Millions of people take sleeping pills on a regular basis. These are not only habit-forming, but in many cases they can be dangerous.
But no worries, we've got a bunch of very good ideas to enhance your sleep. And I think the first one would be to make sleep a priority. Set your intention to get at least 8 hours of sleep a night. This should take precedence over any other activity like watching more TV, reading, working, or doing household chores.
You should develop a pre-sleep routine. Create a calming ritual that you follow each night before heading to the bedroom. Start in the early evening by thinking through your day, making a to-do list for tomorrow, and clearing your mental desktop.
Other ideas for your pre-sleep regimen are drinking chamomile tea, doing some light reading, some gentle qigong exercises at bedside work great, and taking a soothing hot bath. These can help prepare your body for a good night's sleep.
We really like this one. When first getting into bed, use the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Here's how it goes. While lying on your back, breathe in through the nose to the count of 4. Hold your breath to the count of 7, and then exhale through your mouth to the count of 8. Repeat this 3 more times. This simple routine helps to set your brain to a sleep mode.
Next, we suggest that you create a sleep schedule. It's recommended that we get about 8 hours of sleep each night, preferably from about 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., even on the weekends. Studies suggest this works best with our body's natural rhythms.
Remember to reserve your bedroom for just sleep and sex. Refrain from eating, drinking, watching TV, using a computer, or doing work in bed. Your bedroom should be cool, between 60 and 67 degrees, dark, and comfortably quiet.
Also consider some sleep tools like a white noise app that you can get on your smartphone, and keep the phone outside the bedroom but within hearing distance. Blackout curtains, a sleep mask, earplugs, socks if you have cold feet, and our favorite aromatherapy using a mister.
Remember to remove electromagnetic fields, that's EMFs, from your bedroom. These are found in all electronic devices, and they emit frequencies that actually interfere with your sleep. These include electric clocks, computers, TV, cell phones, tablets, etc. We personally also use a Himalayan salt lamp during the day to help purify the air and offset the EMFs. You can also consider using supplements that promote sleep. Check with your doctor first. Examples would include melatonin. You could take 1 to 5 milligrams sublingually at bedtime, and this can be purchased at any health food store. Also, tart red cherry juice, 2 glasses daily, because cherry juice contains melatonin, and this may help you sleep better.
We also suggest avoiding naps. Try substituting some simple Qigong exercises to increase your energy. Also, cut out the caffeine by early afternoon and abstain from food, alcohol, and exercise within a couple of hours or longer before going to sleep.
Put these ideas into action, and you will enjoy more healthful sleep. Sweet dreams.
Well, folks, thanks for listening, and we would like to know some of your ideas on good sleep. You can do that in the comments section below and ask any questions there as well. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so we can continue to make these healthy aging videos. One last reminder, make good sleep a priority starting now. It'll improve your health, your happiness, and your longevity.
We look forward to your coming back soon. Bye now.